When you pray, pray wholeheartedly. Give it your all, as if it's your last one. The Almighty knows and He is watching you. He knows how many distractions are vying for your attention and pulling you away from prayer. So ignore Satan and stand before your Lord with great humility. We are all struggling one way or another. We feel stuck, often at our wits' end, overwhelmed and can't seem to find a way out. Seek your strength from the Almighty through patience and prayer. Keep asking. He never tires of hearing your supplication as long as you don't give up. Most of the things you worry about in life are insignificant. Most of them you can't control anyway. It's the Almighty's way of showing you who is in charge. So focus on being the best version of yourself. Be a shining example for others to follow and hand over the rest to Him. Quit overthinking and being anxious always. Trust the Almighty to be your guide. There's nothing like finding peace and rest from all your troubles in Him. Your problems may still be present, but when you learn to trust Him, peace will reign in your heart. Seek comfort in Him alone. Don't give up on others because the Almighty never gives up on us. You can't control people, making them do what's right. You can only show the way. Guidance comes from the Almighty. So don't be frustrated. Do your best and let Him take care of the rest. He guides whom He wills. Always choose love, kindness and forgiveness. Always choose to walk the high ground. Never mind what others say, never mind what rumors they choose to spread about you, never lose your cool and composure. Never tire of doing good. The Almighty loves such consistent acts. People are quick to criticize. Always thank your critics. Even if he is harsh and rude, thank him. He might have been having a bad day, or maybe he's just a negative person in general. Take criticism positively. It's a good thing for you anyway, a means of keeping yourself humble. Almighty, we seek your forgiveness, especially on this blessed day as we are sinners and have committed many sins. Only you can forgive all of them. May we always turn to you for strength to forgive others as well. Shower us with your mercy which we so desperately need. Amen. It's not always what you say that matters. Knowing what not to say is equally important. Don't feel like you have to respond to everyone and take part in every discussion and argument thrown your way. Often, the best response in many situations is simply to remain silent. Peace.